Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a really interesting day today. First of all, I want to tell you I'm showing you charts on multi-charts rather than my usual trading software because I had a crash about 15 minutes into the market day today. I run 3 platforms, 2 data streams, so I don't lose data, but it did kind of mess me up for a little while. Anyway, so our charts are probably going to look a little different for the next couple, 3 days, but you can certainly see what's happened. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and of course yesterday we had this gargantuan kind of mini crash and scared the hell out of everybody, but fortunately today we had a reversal in that. I did call the Dow up. Yeah, it did. It closed up nearly 300 points. Of course, I was wrong 2 days in a row before I got it right today. But anyway, it was very nice to see it substantially reverse what happened yesterday. And what I really liked was this rally right at the end. I don't know if there was some news out. I haven't had a chance to read anything about it. But I saw the same kind of move in a couple of the stocks that we were trading, and I'm going to show you those in just a second. So here's the bad news. Bad news is what we had yesterday. We closed out for about negative $2,000, which wasn't that bad. The good news is we're holding positive $9,000 going into tomorrow, and we didn't have at least on the close, we didn't have anything really big, but practically everything was positive, so it all added up to positive $9,000. That really looked good. I'm going to show you 2 of our positive trades, and then I'm going to show you the most interesting trade of all, which is in the process of hopefully becoming a close-up trade tomorrow. This is, first of these is SolarCity. We got into this about midday right here, and just look at this thing, what it did on that last bar. Remember, the Dow was also doing this on the last bar, and as a result we're holding $2,000 positive in SolarCity. Next, very similar action in ISIS Pharmacology, ISIS Pharmaceuticals. Bought this about the 2nd hour today. It just kept going, and again we had this big move on the last bar of the day, and we are also holding positive $2,000 in ISIS Pharmaceuticals. Now, this is the one that I really want to talk about. This is LANTA company. We had a good trade back here in LANTA. Looks like that's back on the 27th of August. Took a couple $1,000 out of that, maybe $2,500 or so. Today we got into this kind of toward the end of the day, and it did kept going. Again, it had this move on the last bar of the day. We're only holding $1,000 in LANTA. It closed at 49. Here's the thing. I was still kind of disgusted with the markets today. I don't know, even though we're up $9,000. I mean, I want to see some action. We really want some very positive action. Didn't really see it today. A lot of small stuff. So my son and I went out jogging right after the markets closed. And we come back and I looked at the aftermarket and my teeth fell out. I'm not kidding you. Alright, LANTA closed at 49 in the aftermarket. It's trading at 59, folks. And what does that mean for us? That means if we got out of LANTA right now in the aftermarket, this would be close to a $15,000 trade, if not more than a $15,000 trade. So, and I'm watching this like a hawk. Oh, I want to take those profits so bad. But there's no selling at all going on in the aftermarket. I mean, I don't know what happened. Obviously, some news. I don't know what the news is. So, I'm expecting a pretty good trade out of LANTA tomorrow morning. God, I hope it doesn't reverse overnight. I don't think it will. So I'm going to be going crazy tomorrow because between, 6:30 in the morning my time and 7:15, I gotta wait, try and keep my powder dry and everything, and wait for this thing. And I'm going to want to take those profits so bad. Anyway, it looks real good. It's got me smiling. This is the kind of action I like to see. So, real good day. And this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow, believe me, and watching LANTA. See you tomorrow on Thursday.